Hello, I'm Carola. Welcome to Yewno Discover, where we transform information into knowledge. This tool allows the researcher to find relevant content quickly in a graphical, user-friendly environment. Why use Yewno Discover and how does it fit into the research workflow? Catalog searching and aggregator searching like EBSCOhost, those are known item searches. You have an idea what you're looking for, your keyword or keywords, like right here. And your result list gives you articles or books or videos that contain that keyword. With Yewno, the emphasis is on exploration, exploring the connection between terms, how one subject can relate to another and exploring from there. Searching in Yewno is searching in a well-vetted universe of academic literature. It is so important to teach students how to navigate the overwhelming stream of resources available to them. At Yewno Discover, we have ingested millions of documents from countless sources. Our artificial intelligence inference engine focuses on automated concept extraction from the full text. There are no predefined topics because the concepts generated are based on the content of the text analyzed. And because we read the full text or the full abstract in scholarly texts, our document list takes you directly to the section or sections of the text that is most relevant to your search. And because our artificial intelligence extracts concepts rather than searching for a keyword, the researcher goes on a journey of discovery, starting with one basic idea to research, and then may end up exploring concepts that before were not even considered. And this is how we transform information into knowledge. Please join me in another video where I show examples of literary research, searching in science, health, and more. Thank you.